trying to let it all go, so I can freely follow. I know that I should cast my cares on you. Sometimes it's hard to let go, so I'll trust in your word for me, 'cause I know in you I am complete. Whatever it is, whatever it may be, I know you'll never leave me. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let go, let go. Come to you withholding nothing. With my hands up high, I'm singing your praises. I've left all that behind, I'm following you high. There's no going back down, I'm holding on you tight. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can take me away from you. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let go, let go. Let it take control, yeah. No more struggle.
Sacrifice for me, yeah. Oh, Lord, you never wanted for us to be apart, no. So you brought me back to your heart, and this is my reality, yeah. And this how it was meant to be, yeah. And I pray, whatever the weather, I'll stay right here with you. The trials may come and go, but I'm never leaving. You've put a joy inside my soul, and I'll keep believing. You did it before, you do it again, yeah. And it's one thing that I know, you did it before, you do it again, yeah. And it's one thing that I know.
1,000 songs, or even 1,000,000, but it wouldn't be enough to describe the love you have for us. Oh yeah, you laid your life, you paid the price so that I can have eternal life for us. No greater love than this, oh no. No greater love than this, oh no.
The trials may come and go,
but I'll keep.
You've put a joy inside my
That's
soul.
why I say
I'll keep believing. You did it before, you do it again.
it's one thing that
It's one thing that I know.
Iftar prep is always chaos, with a rush to get ready for Maghrib. But these moments make Ramadan special. And sending money home with Remitly keeps our traditions alive. Ramadan Mubarak. Every transfer brings you closer.
I don't need to search all around, 'cause in you I have everything I'll ever need. In you I live and move and have my being. You are everything I need you to be. Tell me who coming closer to my most high Jehovah. He's the one, the rock I rely on. He's the one, the rock my salvation. Ain't nobody coming closer to my most high Jehovah. He's the one, the rock I rely on. He's the one, the rock my salvation. It don't matter what may come my way, I'll keep your fire burning in my soul. I'll keep my eyes stayed on you, keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause I know you are in control. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you. I sit up on the rhythm like a king ponder. From the top to the very last, I move with the wings of the spirit. From the top, I be going non-stop. Everything I do is for you. See, my life is for your glory, just you. That's why you beautify me, find me. With love all around me, around me. It don't matter what may come my way, I'll keep your fire burning in my soul. I'll keep my eyes stayed on you, keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause I know you are in control. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you, You're my firm foundation.
What's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? Gonna see some energies in the chat. I'm gonna see some energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat. Brand new month. It's a brand new week. Happy Monday,
First, give
everybody.
honor to God, to Miss Carol, who had first brought me and my moms to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me. Pray for YG. Pray for PC. Pray for TC. Pray for Reem, HJ, and Clean.
What's up? What's up? Good morning, Riz. Good morning, Mama Chaz. How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. 1,400 pip today. Happy in a day. Do we have news tonight? Ooh, we have PMI. 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 Okay, that's PMI. Goldie, what's the plan today, Gold? What's the plan today? Give me discipline so I keep going. What's up, Eric? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Alrighty. What's the deal today, gang? Talk to me. Talk to me, chat. What's the deal today? What's the deal? All right. Let's do the top down analysis here. Let's do the top down. Top down. All right. Let's start with the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame, as you can see here on price, how many months we are moving up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 8 months, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles are moving up, right? We're breaking the all-time high for 8 months now. As you can see how the candles are closing, all is bullish. There's no bearish candle close on the monthly candles, right? So as you can see here on price, we have some gap, and we know that's there is some war happening right now here in the UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, and geopolitical tension is massive. And as you can see, the gap here was we moved for the day around 1,400 pip, almost 1,400 pip for the day. And as you can see here on price on the left hand side, we still have wicks. We still have wick that we need to be filled, right? But let's see, let's see if we're gonna fill this week on the month, right? Because for me, it's not every time like if we have war, war, we know that we are we have a safe haven, which is gold. They're buying gold, but not every time, not every time gold will rise up, gold will move up. It depends, right? Sometimes gold will retest the low on the monthly and then move up once again. It's not all the time that we're going to push, right? But let's see. Dropping down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it looks the same. We have resistance here, and we have a candle that close above. We have two candles that close above, but the problem here is there's no top wick, right? And this candle's no top wick too, and we know, I know, right? I know that if the candles has no top wick, there's no range to move up, right? This current candle has no range to move up, but um if there is a high chance that this kind of flip, we can see this kind of move, right? Retest again here and probably close below the range and probably continue to move down because this candle has no liquidity grabs yet. There's no steeper bottom wick here, right? So as you can see here on price, there's no steeper bottom wick. This one is not look the same with this, right? If we create a steeper bottom wick on the weekly candle, yeah, there's a high chance that we probably gonna continue to fill the wick on the left hand side. So yeah, that's the weekly. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily, as you can see, we're tapping the resistance on the left hand side. We have a resistance form, and we tap the resistance. We have a support form right here. We have our new resistance form here too. We have a range 1, range 2, range 3. So right now we just need to wait to what will happen in the lower time frame. Like right now we cannot do anything here on the higher time frame, but the lower time frame for our time frame. So we have I believe we have a structure on the left hand side. We have a clean range if we gonna move up here on the 4 hour time frame. But we have a resistance form close probably resistance didn't close above yet. This for our time frame still have 2 hours and 7 minutes for the candle to close. So it's a breakout. As you can see, it's a breakout, and let's see if we're gonna move up or probably um, do it like this for the day, right? So let's see. That's the 4 hour dropping to the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour, there's no closure too, right? It looks the same in the 4 hours. You can see there's no closure yet. We still have 7 minutes for the candle to close. Let's see what will happen here, and he still have gap that we need to be filled. I don't know if we're going to fill this today, the gap. All right, so 30 minutes. Yeah, we have a clean structure. 15, yeah, it looks the same. Let's see if we're gonna grab some potential for the day. We have a 15 minutes resistance, 30 minutes. Okay, let's see now. Let's see. So for buying, I probably, what's the structure on the left? Yeah, we have the resistance form on the left hand side here. So for buying, mm, let's see. Let's see. So if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. That's the top down for the day. 5 minutes for the candle to close. Missing out. You missing out? What do you mean? You miss the move? Bro, this kind of move is not, if it's not part of the plan. I know it's gonna spike up here on price. I know, but before I sleep, I see the price move, but I don't have any FOMO whatever on this kind of move, because this is not my session. Asian session is not my session, so I don't want to touch anything on Asian session. All right, 4 minutes for the candle to close. Ooh, we have rejections here. It's gonna be an interesting candle on the open of the candle. That's gonna be London Open. Re-break of this candle low, we can move down. Retest this 5375 for 4 minutes. 4 minutes for the candle to close. And make sure you drop a like and subs to the channel. 3 minutes for candle to close. Hey, by the stops, man. The stops gonna be 120. 120 pips. See ya, how you doing? How you doing? But we can use the current candle stops. That's gonna be nice. We just need to wait for the top wick. Minimum tapping 5408. And then flip or rebroke this candle low. 2 minutes. Goldie, relax. Okay, Goldie, relax. We need to see at the bottom wick too. We need to see a bottom wick, Goldie. Relax, man. Relax. The 4 hour has no bottom wick here. That's gonna be, idea. That's gonna be idea to move down. London Open. It's Monday. Let's see if we're gonna have some volume on London session here. I don't wanna see a choppy range.
Okay, let me deal with this first. So market fluidity subscription will end soon, but let me take a look at this right away. Now look, it's running at 2.5. Now some people say wars are bad. I say wars are opportunities. So this is a buy I had on the 30-minute time frame based on 30-minute time frame. When this candle closed with the wick on the top, this wick down, broke above the high. Wow, look at this. Last time I turned on this computer, gold was at 33.71. Where are we at now? Man, take a look at this shit over here. We are at 54.05. Crazy. Wild times. Just secured this right here, by the way. So market fluidity subscription will end soon, but let me take a look at this right away. Now look, it's running at 2.5. Now some people say wars are bad. I say wars are opportunities. So this is a buy I had on the 30-minute time frame based on 30-minute time frame. When this candle closed with no wick at the top, this wick down, broke above the high, buy, and then I just started look, this is 69 lots. The major market is one of the best institutions here. So all it did was trail stops below the lows. So first I trailed the stop.
Oh, no closure. 30 minutes looks doji candle. So we need the closure now below. Damn. Yeah. We might see range today, probably. Or massive push once again on the top. We close above on the early candles. Yeah. Now, right now, we're gonna watch the price move. Yes, brother, how you doing? See ya, how you doing? Any questions? Any buenos? Any buenos? So we need a closure now below. That's gonna be idea. do. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know. Damn. We are rebroking the lows. Oh, Oy. The problem here is it's really hard to take an impulse trade here because there's no, if the candle close probably weak bullish, that's gonna be an interesting idea here. If the candle close like this, yeah, probably gonna give it a shot here on the rebroke of the lows. But right now, this is gonna be not good idea. I'd say it's 50-50 because we need the closure now below for the price to move down. We need this, and then yeah, impulse. No. Honestly, thought gold would be crazier today given what was happening over the weekend, but it seems a bit chill than I thought for now. Yeah, I'd say we move up. We move a lot already. We move 1,400 pip, and that's gonna be a good sign that we have volume. But it's not like the same. I believe February, right, when the gold moves crazy, like crazy move, 500 pip in a day. I mean, in the one candle, that's different. But this one is normal, pretty normal candle. That's gonna be a good sign to take a trade. And not every time it's gonna push up, okay? Not every time it's gonna move further. You need to see price action too. Damn. 9 minutes for candle to close. Do, 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 do. So we start to hover right now on 5408 to 5402. So we're hovering here. We are hovering. Hovering, hovering. Hovering. We need a closure. A closure below must be nice. 7 minutes for candle to close. Any questions, gang? Any questions? Let me know in the chat. Make sure drop a like. Drop a like and subs to the channel. Goldie, 5 minutes for the candle to close. We are having here. No Benos yet. Four minutes for candles to close. Goldie, what's the deal today? Doji Doji. We moved Doji Doji today. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. We're closing above, so I'm gonna adjust the resistance. Where's the resistance? On the left. Damn. That was a massive range, huh? What's up, Sing? How you doing? Gold is crazy. The war really affecting gold. Oh yeah. Gold move. Gold move. We just need to wait for the close Asian session big moves coming from the weekend. Yep. Shout out to 16 viewers right now. How's everybody's doing? How you guys doing? How you feeling? Damn. Once we rebroke this low, we might see push. It probably an impulse move. Probably an impulse move to move down here. 9 minutes for the candle to close. Can we close gold? Do, 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 do. Closure. We need a closure. 30 minutes. The 30 minutes time frame doesn't look good here. We gonna close doji again. In that case, nobody moves. Nobody moves. Nobody moves. Nobody moves. 3 minutes, man. Nothing, huh? Nothing. We don't need to force anything today, gang. If the market doesn't look good, nobody moves. Nobody moves. But any probably I have a gut feeling right now. Any candle open and once we rebroke this low, we gonna see some move heavy. Like a spike move towards to the downside here. Minimum this kind of top 5391. Goldie, it's moving off. Hey, Goldie. We probably gonna close above. No top wick on the 30 and 50. No top wick. That's the real deal there. Do. Nothing. For the day, chat. We stick to the plan. We stick to the patience today. Nothing, huh? Nobody moves. Nobody moves. Nobody moves, chat. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Start trading with such price action. Yeah, no good here. London session, man. Right now, it's choppy. I don't like the price action on London session. It's not a good idea to take trades probably on London. But I don't want to take trades on Asian session too because I'm not familiarized on the on Asian session volume. I don't know what time the volume. I know that the market open, but I'm not really familiar with the kind of price action in Asian session. So I stick with the plan. We stick with the plan. London session is okay. There's no trade, it's okay. If there's no trade on London, it's okay. I'm going to come back on the NY. Mhm. Even if there's no trade for a day, that should be fine. Said that nobody moves, no trade, it's okay. There's always trade tomorrow. There's always trade next week, the next month. Trading will not go anywhere, you know. But sticking to the plan, that's the real important there. You stick with the plan. If you're still taking different trade, that's not part of your plan. You're still gambling there. I don't wanna do that anymore. I've done that finish on that situation. In that case, I'm done doing the bad habit. I'm done. I don't want to come back there anymore. It's so dark. Favorite session, probably London. Yeah, London's good. London session, but London is good. um Probably quarter two. Right, London's good. Probably quarter two. Quarter one, I know London's gonna be a choppy shenanigans. So how long do you look? What's up, Timplex? How long do you look for a good position, and do you trade other time apart from pre-London sesh? Yeah, I take trades on the NY session too. So yeah. Stay safe, yeah. Especially here in Dubai, we need to stay safe. Stay safe, everybody. In terms of trading, you need to find your session, right? Let's say we are in the London session. So this is our session. This is my session. I only take trades when I'm live, right? After this 1 p.m., I'm gonna close the chart, close everything, and do something else. That's trading for me. Trading is a business, right? Trading is not a hobby. It's a business. So once you're done with the time that you set in your mind, you're done. You don't need to open once again. You don't need to stay and hunt the trades, right? Because in that case, if you still you know if you still hop onto the chart by 1 o'clock or by 1:30, you still hunting a trade. That means you are breaking your rules, because I have a set of rules. I have a set of plans that I need to look on the trade till 1 p.m. or 1:15 p.m. And after that, I'm gonna call it the session and come back on the NY session. It's like choosing your working as. Yeah, that's true. Then logging out when done. Yup, true that. Because that's the good habit. That's the good habit that you need to build, and it was hard, right? That's why I always tells to the chat that you need to find a session. If the Asian session is working with you, stick with Asian session. You don't need to stick with London or New York. Or if you want to take all the session, it's depends. If you feel better on taking three sessions in a day, that should be fine. That should be, that's good. Do you live sesh for NY timing? No, right now I'm not doing any live session, but probably soon. Probably soon. Probably if I hit 1K subs, let's see. 1K subs must be nice. What time is the updated opening session here in Dubai? Oh, Asian session 5 a.m. Dubai time. That's you're gonna see a lot of volume on 5 a.m. Asian session Dubai time, and London session is gonna be 12 p.m. Dubai time. Right now we are in the London session. London open it's 12 p.m. and so on and so forth. NY session, NYSE is 6:30 p.m. Dubai time, but the NY Open is around 4 or 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Dubai time, NY Open. So yeah. Bro, do you use 30 minutes entry on US session or still 15? Yeah, I use both. I use 15 and 30. It depends on the market structure. Right now, as you can see on the 30, it's really clean to move down, but the problem here is you need to correlate with the lower time frame. We need to correlate with the 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see here on the 30 minutes time frame, you're breaking the support, right? We have a support form right here. But the problem here is still open. We still have 7 minutes for the candle to close. So you need to correlate this 30 minutes. You need to wait for this candle to close. And as you can see on the 15, you have a support level on the left-hand sides, 5402 that you need to be aware of. So you need to, correlate those time frame with the higher time frame. You need to understand that too. So yeah. Oh, we are closing. Yeah, we might see some move. We might see some spike. Damn, Goldie. When do we resume to normal hours? What do you mean, Eric? Normal hours? What do you mean? Ooh, right now we're breaking. Holy. See, would you look at that? I know. Once we rebroke this low, we might see some move. Minimum here. Minimum we tap here. Right. Impulse move. That's the problem sometimes on gold. When we when we wait for the market structure, when we wait for the candle to close, and we are pushing the lows, yeah, we're going to see some move. We're going to see some spike move towards to the downside. See, 56 pip move. It used to be 11 p.m. right? London Open. Yeah, it's I believe it's a time different. I don't know when it's gonna go back to normal hours. I don't know. Probably next month. I don't know. Normally, yeah, I believe that's the second quarter, and the normal hours on the NY sessions should be 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. That's gonna be the NY session. Oh, close below the range. That's gonna be a good idea here. We still have range. We still have wick, but we need a top wick here. Once we rebroke this high, I'm gonna put the sell stop on the current candle. We just need to wait for the rebroke of this Goldie. Goldie. I don't want to jump in a trade. Rebroke the high. Can we? All right. Alrighty, chat. I'm gonna put a sell stop on the rebroke of the current candle low. That's gonna be a good idea here. Sell stoppers. Okay, so once we rebroke that, that should be nice. That should be nice. That should be nice. We can use this current candle stops. Can we rebroke the lows? Can we rebroke the lows? And move down. Goldie, what's the plan? Is it gonna be a fake out or what? What's the deal? Man, once you rebroke this 5399, we're going to see move. 100 pip stop loss. Oh, Sorry. Boom. Mm. Oh, nothing, huh? It's not moving. It's not moving down. Yeah, let's see what will happen here. We still have 9 minutes. 9 minutes for candles to close. Chan, make sure you like the stream, all right? If you are new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel. Goldie, what's the plan? Mm-hmm. 7 minutes for the candle to close. Man, can we move? All right, we are rebroking. Can we push? Can we push? Push it, push it. What's up, Anthony? How you doing? How you feeling? All right, almost. Almost. Same gold. What's the plan if you're not gonna push? What's the plan, Goldie? Ugh. 5 minutes for the candle to close. It's not moving. So I'm gonna remove the sell stop here. I'm gonna remove. It's 5 minutes for the candle to close, so I don't like the momentum of this candle. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close because we might react here and move up once again here. If we activate around 10 minutes for this candle to close, yeah, I like that. But right now we still have 5 minutes for the candle to close, so I need to wait for this candle to close. 30 minutes candle closure too. 1 hour candle closure too. So yeah. I think that's gonna be a good idea for us to take the trade. Yeah, removing the sell stop. Oh, it's okay. No FOMO for me. If you guys are in the trade now, no FOMO for me. Damn, we move 51 pip. It's okay. I didn't take any trades. I removed the sell stop. I remove it. Damn, 50 pips. Would you look at that? Do. Who's in the trade right now? Oh, Eric is holding the trade. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. You hold the cells. Yeah. Hold the cells till 5375. That's going to be a good idea. 2 minutes for the candle to close. We might have potential here. We might have a top wick and enter on the rebroke of the low. Let's see. But if you guys are in the cells right now, if you guys are in the position, yeah, you should close partial now. I believe we move 50 pips more or 60 pips, I'd say, from the sell stop. Yeah, 55 pips. Ooh, still moving. We are still moving. Position should be like this. Yeah. Stop is gonna be there on the high. Yeah. And the target is gonna be here. All right, that's gonna be the partial. Goldie, 1 minute and 30 seconds here. Give us an entry, Gold. Give me an entry. Who got the cells? Let me know in the chat who took some cells here. Let me know. Who took some cells? Let me know in the chat. Drop some W's in the chat. We got the same cells. Let me know. Let me know. You got W's, man. Congrats. Who else got dubs? Who else took some cells? Right now, we need a top wick. Top wick, and then. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, late candle move. Holy. 81 pips already. Cha, who got some cells? I know some of you took some cells here. I know, I know. Mm. Damn, that's the move. 87 pips. That's the move. That's the move on gold. See, look at that. Minimum here. Or minimum, you tap the zone. You took that? No, I didn't take that. I removed the cell stop. I removed the cell stop because I don't like the momentum on this candle. You know, 5 minutes remaining, and we still hovering here on price. We still hovering here on this price. That's why I removed the sell stop, because there is a high chance that once you rebroke the current candle low, we might pops up here. So I remove it. I guess that's the move. That's the move. And if you guys take these sells, man, I hope you guys manage already. I hope you guys took some partials and you guys are good, because that's gonna be the idea on the rebroke of the Karen candle. But once this candle rebroke within like 12 minutes, 13 minutes, man, we are in the trade there, you know. But it take time to rebroke the current candle. That's why I removed the sell stop. Holding at BE, nice. W. W. W's in the chat. This candle is kind of overextend candle. It's a 30 minutes kind of overextend. Kind of. overextend. We might see this again. So yeah, we might see that. Give me a second here, chat. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. You can drop it in the chat. Make sure you drop a like and subs to the channel. Give me a second. All right. Damn, Goldie. Read it retest the what do you call this? The entry here. Retest the entry and don't know what will happen here right now. Um. All right. We're closing bullish again here. So yeah, man. I guess we're done for the session. Nothing for me here. Yeah. Chat, I guess we're done. I'm gonna call it a stream here. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. And if you got the sales here on the rebroke of the current candle on the 15, man, that's dubs. And for me, I didn't take any trades. I probably gonna come back on the NY session. Right now, there's nothing for me. And yeah, chat. See you guys tomorrow. And trade safe. And for the people here in Dubai, just keep safe, stay safe, everybody. See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, gang. Chat, peace. W's all the way out here.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. When you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up
God made you enough. Don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best word. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive.